and welcome back to the 12 Days of Halloween here on Wild Cactus Weddings YouTube channel. I'm your host Sarah, and I cannot wait for today's look. Was last year's Halloween look an utter disaster? Well, don't worry, this year's is going to be a move in the right direction. Just had to throw in some jokes there, but I hope really, truly, and honestly that this video is something that you find helpful and you can create this simple look yourself. So without further ado, let's get started into the meat of today's video. Starting right into today's look, we're going to be using this white cream powder, and we're just going to be placing it literally all over our face and our neck, making sure that we're getting this powder really nice and thick so that we can create the spots for our cow later on. Making sure that we are using a sponge and really just thoroughly getting that saturation all over the face, even on your eyelid, underneath your eyes, and making sure you get it also down onto your neck. Now moving on to the spots of our cow, we are going to be taking a black cream that I've linked in the description below and taking it and just creating our spots on our cow. This can be wherever you really want on your face, on your neck. If you want to get creative, you can also do this on your arms and legs if you want to as well. But for this look today, we're just going to stay with a simple look and a easy costume. So we're just going to be doing it all over our face. And when we're taking the sponge, we're just kind of taking it and creating just a really different shape each time. Some of them are big, some of them are small, but just creating a different look each time. Of course, you have to get our nose on there, and making sure that we have a good solid color as well, and moving that literally just all over the place for our spotted cow. Now we are going to be moving on to the lips. I'm going to be applying a pink lipstick for this look. You can also get this in the description below. And of course we have to have lashes to complete this look, and bringing that black eyeliner all the way underneath and on top of the eyelid to complete the look as well, making sure that you do it on both sides, of course, and making sure that you get just all the way into each corner. And of course, as we complete this look, we will be adding my favorite, a nose ring and some ears. Well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching to the very end, and I really hope this video was able to move you. Okay, I'll stop. But for reals, I do hope you found this video inspirational and were able to get some fun tips for your own costume this year. Also, make sure you go and vote on Instagram and here on YouTube of your favorite look for Halloween. I will be wearing that for Halloween, so make sure you go vote on Instagram and here on YouTube. I will be looking to see what the top look is and everybody's favorite. So if you enjoyed this look and it's your absolute favorite one, make sure you go and vote. My Instagram will be in the comments below, so make sure you also like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite look, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when the next 12 Days of Halloween comes out with a new video. So once again, I hope you love this look, and happy Halloween!